Happy Tuesday! For those of you who don't know me, I'm Shannon Miller and I am cleaning business owner here in the great state of Arizona. The name of my business is called Made Broker, so that's made-broker.com. And I actually cover the whole state of Arizona. And I also am CEO of Clean Freaks University, where I teach people how to run the back end of their business instead of being run over by their business. So for those of you who don't know, because we have a lot of new members who have joined just recently, I wanted to come out here and make a couple of announcements, talk about some tax deductions that you might have coming up, and all kinds of juicy tidbits of information. First and foremost, I don't know if you guys had a chance to see Lauren's post. She made a post about the on-point pricing program. And for those of you who don't know what that is, it is a really economical way to get in. It's a pilot program. We just started it about a month ago, and I have about 10 of you on there. And basically, you just pay $15 a week to get all of your questions answered in regards to pricing, onboarding, any particular situations that you might have that come up with your regular business. It's kind of like having almost a direct connection with me right through Messenger. Pretty easy. I can take Facebook, Pay, and Venmo if that is something that you feel that you need. By all means, go ahead and private message me and I'll be more than happy to send you over that information. In addition to that, we are going to announce, drumroll, I didn't hook up the mic, so hopefully it's not too loud. Today starts the official application process for the mentorship program. Woo! So someone is going to get 4 one-on-one calls with me absolutely free. It's part of my way of giving back to the community at large. So the only qualification is that you cannot have been in the mentorship program last year, and you have to apply. So it's done on that way, and then we actually review it, and then we'll announce the winner. I'm hoping to announce the winner in 2 weeks on the 14th. So that will be really exciting. And if you just send me a private message, or if you send me an email right to Clean Freaks University, and that's KLEANFREAKS University@gmail.com, and say that you're interested in the mentorship program, we'll send you over an application. And then you have until the 14th to hand it in. I think we decided that we're going to do it the 13th was going to be the cutoff line at midnight. So that'll be way cool. I'm super excited and I can't wait to work with one of you guys. Woohoo! It's going to be fun. And then we have Allen's Day coming up April 2nd. For those of you who do not know, Allen used to be my old landlord here in northern Arizona before I bought a house. And unfortunately, Allen passed away and no one found him for 2 whole weeks. So you can imagine what those poor people went through when they walked in and smelled that. You cannot ever forget that smell. So I decided at that point, because they never reached out to me, I would have totally given him free cleaning to help him maintain his house. He just was not capable towards the end of his life to do so. And I believe in giving back to the community at large. For those of you who do know, I actually used to be part of Cleaning for a Reason, and I used to give out $6,000 worth of cleaning between that program and another program to our community at large here in northern Arizona. So it's really important for me to be able to give back. Hi, I don't know who's there. So Allen's Day is April 2nd. If this is something that you are local and you want to volunteer for, hi Gina. We're going to have that April 2nd, and we're all going to meet at a centralized location, and then people are going to apply. So it'll be a free cleaning day, and I'm hoping to do 12 houses that day. We'll see. But April 2nd is Allen's Day officially. Yay! And you can sign up for that. Just PM me, and I will get you the information form to fill out, and we'll kind of go from there. In addition to that, there was one other thing that I didn't write down, and I should have, and I apologize. Talk about getting sidetracked, right? It was the monthly meetup is going to be this Saturday. If you are local here, I would love to chat with you. It's going to be at Carlito's Coffee on at 9 a.m. So you can bring your kids. I got my 2 littles, my 5 and my 6-year-old. So we'll be there, and I look forward to chatting with you. And I look forward to your questions if you may have about your business, or where you're going, or where you plan on taking your business, or what you plan on doing. I'm more than happy to step in and help you out with that. And let's talk about tax deductions. In case you didn't know, yesterday was officially the last day of the year. I know that everyone says the last day of the year is the 31st, but for me, and for a lot of us, the last day of the year is actually, it's going to be January 31st, because that's the last day you have to hand in the 1099s and electronically submit them and or mail them, right? So if you have not handed, and you had 1099s helping you this last year, make sure that you get those done today. You can actually, there's a couple programs that you can sign up for free or for $1.95, and they'll do your 1099s for you for free. And then you can just cancel the membership. I don't remember who I used. I can look that up. I had it written down here and I missed it. So yeah, if you have not handed in your 1099s, it's important that you have already done so. Technically, yesterday was the last day to do that. Hey, Angela, how are you? So that's super important. And then tax deductions. Make sure you start to get all of your tax information together so that you can take out the largest amount of deductions possible, right? Because we don't want to give the government more money than they need, right? So we won't even talk about what they do with the money, but it's your obligation to pay your share, right? So your mileage is going to be your #1 deduction in your vehicle car. So you need to make sure that you're taking due diligence. There's apps now. You don't even have to do it the old-fashioned way. You can just click on your app and then click off your app, and then boom, it calculates your mileage. And you just got to get in the habit of doing that. Your mileage, any chemicals that you purchase, any janitorial equipment, mops, vacuums, any of those things, your website, your cell phone can be written off. Any marketing that you do, magnets for your car, logos for your car, any car maintenance. And remember, you have to have 2 vehicles for the car deduction. So you have to have a vehicle that you use during non-business hours and then your work vehicle. So that can be a gray area, so you don't want to get dinged on that. If you have your home office at your home, you can write off 25% of your utilities. So that's your trash, your water, your gas, if you're on gas, or electricity. So those are also important deductions. And then of course, if you have your own office, you obviously can write that off as well, and then you won't be able to take off the home office deduction depending on where you are income wise. So those are just some things that are important for you to remember that you can deduct, so that you don't forget. So get all of those receipts together, office supplies, marketing materials, anything that you used for your business. You get to write off. That makes it nice. It makes your tax liability less, right? We all want to pay less in taxes. So I want to make sure that you guys are reminded there. So those are all of the deductions I have right now. So that would be it. So the meeting is this Saturday at Carlito's Coffee House in Prescott Valley. If you're interested, the On Point pricing program is still available. I have room for 5 more people. And we're giving away that mentorship. It's a $2,000 prize. I know one of you guys is going to get it. So if you're interested in that, you can either leave me a message in the comments, or you can private message me for an application, and we'll get that over to you. We're going to be announcing the winner of the I can't even talk. Of the mentorship. My goodness gracious. On the 13th of February. So I look forward to hearing your responses on that. And I hope that you guys have a great rest of your week. Take care.